going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. As y'all see by the thumbnail, triple whammy we got. We doing a triple whammy, y'all. 3 unboxings. Now, you know what I'm saying? It's a catch to it, though. But if it's your first time tuning into the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. And don't forget to give your boy a like, as well as drop a comment below and let your boy know if this was a copper drop for y'all. Now, I know I did a copper drop actually on this shoe. Now, me personally, I struck out on the shoe. I didn't get it. And, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to give a huge shout out at the end to the person who pretty much helped your boy get the shoe. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? And this is one of the subscribers out there, y'all. So one of our own Sneaker Dungeon family members done left the comment below for me. And that's how I was able to get these shoes. So we're going to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, we're going to speed this up. And we're going to unbox these boxes. Alright, y'all. So as y'all see, man, it is the same kick, man. Same kick, y'all, times 3, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying, I had to look out for my bro, you know what I'm saying? One pair is my bro, B-Boy Lost Spins, and one pair is for my bro, Flow. You know what I'm saying? One pair is for B-Boy Lost Spin, one pair is Flow's. So, y'all know I always talk about Flow and B-Boy Lost Spin. Matter of fact, I'll throw their IGs up right here for y'all so y'all can head over there. Hit that follow button, you know what I'm saying? And also, don't forget, you know what I'm saying, here's mine as well. The Retro Wiz Kid, man. Follow your boy on Instagram, posting pictures daily, y'all. So I struck out on these shoes, man. I'm actually gonna show you. It's a good thing to show. We can show different sizes. Flow wears a size 8.5. These did come from the United States. So you see we got that suggested retail price on there. Now these retailed at $200. So bro Flow was able to pick them up. And he told me, he was like, hey bro, I sent some shoes to you. You know what I'm saying? I already picked them up. You know what I'm saying? I was like, dang man, I struck out on them things. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't get them on Sneakers app. Y'all see where I got them off of East Bay. And you know what I'm saying? Woo! Oh man. Just this one right here, this is 8.5, man. This is Flow's joint. Man, these things are fuego, y'all. Hold up, man. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get the man. Yo. I'm excited to see what my pair look like. It's got a little, it's just like a little lint. You know what I'm saying? But gosh, y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all my pair with the other laces in it. So let's go ahead and let's get the other ones out the box, y'all. So just in case y'all didn't think I didn't smell it. You gotta smell them new shoes, y'all. I'm gonna be swapping my laces out, but some things that I think is just really dope about the shoe, man. The inside of the shoe is nice, man. Like I said, taking these laces out, y'all, so forget these laces, man. But the dope thing is, like, these laces are like a representation of, you know, like on the baseball glove. That's what this is representing, y'all. So if y'all didn't know, now y'all know. Put some respect on it. You know what I'm saying? So I love how this is one thing that I think that they did that I thought was so cool, man. They gave, I want to say this the first low with a shoehorn like this. Like, you know what I'm saying? So they did give it that. So for the $200, you did get something cool to it. You know what I'm saying? And it got the little glitters in it. So really dope. I like the fact that the suede, man, this junk is immaculate, man. This junk is really nice, man. Really nice suede, man. Got that milky bottom on the bottom. You got that respect right there in the inside with that 2 right there, y'all. This is just really dope, man. And then the other shoe, you just got that big 2. Now, like I said, y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I would rock mine with the other laces. So we're gonna go ahead and take this bag off, and I'm gonna just show y'all how it looks with the other laces in it. So I'm gonna just show y'all what it look like with other laces. Let's get it. Honestly, I'm gonna have to say, man, hands down, this is probably one of the best release right now. And I almost, y'all see I hit myself. And I'm gonna tell y'all why. The deliverance of the shoes inside the shoebox. Box gang shouted. That right there, worth the $200, y'all. Then the fact that, you know, the representation of what the extra pair, what the shoestrings that came in them, the laces, you know, representing the glove, having that glove effect, you know what I'm saying? You know, that little knitting that the little weaving or whatever that you got in the glove, that's what this is right here, y'all. dope concept, but these are going inside this bag. So that's 2. Now, number 3, y'all. Number 3 would be the simple fact that, you know what I'm saying, first low I've seen with a shoehorn. You know what I'm saying? I think that's dope that they gave us the shoehorn with these. Now, number 4. Now, y'all already know I am a sucker for tips, y'all. I didn't know it was tips on these, man. So, all in all, man, great blue shoe, man. Dope, man. Derek Jeter 2s, y'all. Put some respect on them, y'all. I know a lot of people weren't feeling them, man, but I'm not gonna lie, man. I own no Jeters in my collection, so you know I started to buy a pair when we was at Sneaker Mess. I was gonna buy the Jeter 1s, but you know I almost bought the Flynet Jeters, but I just passed on them because when I seen these, man, I was all like, yeah, I know that this gonna be the one that I'm at the cop. I still am gonna try to get my hands on them Jeter 1s, the original ones that they dropped, the blue ones. You know what I'm saying? Buttery leather on them things. I like them joints, but yeah, man. Y'all let me know, man. Was this a copper drop for y'all, man? And like you see, your boy done laced this one up, man. Just looks fuego, y'all. I'm talking about for the retail, you couldn't pass this shoe up, man. I'm sorry. I feel like this was a retail shoe that should have just flown, man. Should have just flown. I ain't even checked to see if it's still sitting, but you do have a soft, you know what I'm saying? It is one of those, it's a soft toe box right there. So definitely gonna be rocking the sneaker shields and them things. You know what I'm saying? Keep them things crisp. You know what I'm saying? But Milky Bottom, hey y'all, huge, big shout out to Moran for life. You know what I'm saying? You wrote on my YouTube video and you was like, yo, full size run still sitting on East Bay. Your boy was like, yo, let me head over to East Bay real quick. At first I thought it was like a joke, you know what I'm saying? Because I thought this shoe was gonna be one of them bangers, y'all. Like people was gonna be like crazy over these, but I guess not. I mean, like I said, we didn't get these in Germany, so glad I was able to add these to the collection, man. You know what I'm saying? Deliverance, packaging, everything, fuego, y'all. So y'all let me know again, but you know what I'm saying? We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Y'all already know when we hit that 1,000 subscribers, be doing that giveaway. I've been saying it in every video for y'all. That way, y'all know your boy is serious. I'm gonna be doing that giveaway, y'all. But you know what I'm saying? Follow your boy on Instagram, like I already said before, at the Retro Wiz Kid. And you already know what time it is, man. We're gonna spin these pictures, man. Y'all let me know, man, in the comment section. If y'all want to on feet. If y'all want to on foot in these, on feet, whatever, however you want to say it. If y'all want one, man, let your boy know. I will definitely do one for y'all. I enjoy doing those actually. So just let me know and I'll give y'all one. If not, it's cool. I won't give y'all one. But you know, I want to give y'all what y'all want to see on this channel. So y'all already know what time it is, man. Let's spin these pictures, man. Let's get it.